The Insteon plugin on HOOBS 5. Begin on the Bridges page and click Add Accessory. Select Install a plugin. Search for the Insteon plugin. Click on the plugin, then select Install. Select Install again. Wait for the background task circle to turn green. Then click on Done. Let's start by adding a dummy device. Then we will get the username and password from the bottom of the Insteon device. It is best to copy and paste it directly from a photo of your device. Under host, we will need to input the IP address of the Insteon hub. Then click Save. Next, we will open a browser like Chrome and go to the HOOBS IP address :3000, replacing with your IP address. Under the hub configuration, click Save. Click Action. Click Get Device Links. Click Get Hub Info. Click Devices. Depending on how many accessories you have, you can input the devices manually or click Device Action Add All to config. If adding manually, you will just need to add the device ID and the device name. Then click Save. Click Home to view and control your devices. If you need additional help, please contact us at support.hoobs.org.